Yo, what's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create 3D wings without any 3D software. So let's get straight into it. And real quick before we start, I want to let you guys know that there's an insane sale going on right now. If you buy one pack, you'll get 3. So if you want to get 2 packs for free and also stock up on some amazing assets, go to the link in the description. Let's go back to the video. First thing we gotta do is speed ramp it. So right click, enable time ramping, and then keyframe it, go to the end, and then go back a few frames so we have a nice slow-mo, and then click this and add a motion blur. That's good. And then split it and pre-compose it and go to the composition, duplicate this clip, and now we gotta rotoscope our subject. Once you rotoscope it, go back to the composition and then play with a feather so we have a smoother outline. Now we're gonna be adding the wings, so drag the asset down, link in the description, scale it up to match your footage. Okay, change the rotation, just match it to your footage. Now we are going to match the wings to our surroundings, so add Lumetri color and just match it to your footage. Play with the settings and get it to your liking. Right, that's cool. And now we are going to be adding blur, so type in camera lens blur and change it to like 2 or maybe even 1. That's good. And next add a s_race. You can use race from Adobe, but I'm gonna be using race from Sapphire, and then change length. Yeah, that's good. And then add grain, put it to final output, and then change the intensity to like 200, size to 0.5, and then change the color, the saturation to 0. So to spice it up, we will be adding a texture from my Opium preset pack. I'll link that for you guys because now there's the best time to buy it because of the BOGO sale. If you buy 1 pack, you'll get 3, so I think that's a very good offer. Pick that one and maybe change a bit the spotlight, tweak the grain like 4, put less on short mask. Now we have something like that. So now we are going to adding a shake. I'll be using a shake from my preset pack. I'll link that guys for you as well. Let's try that one. And to spice it up, we can add a zoom right here. So go to scale, keyframe it here, then go to the last frame and go like 500. Highlight it, F9, and then go to the graph and do the same graph as I will right now. I think that will be fine. And that's it. I think that transition with the wings look really clean. If you like that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out the sale that is going on right now, because it's a very good opportunity to pick up some great packs for a very good price. So like I said, make sure to check that out. Link is in the description. Gonna help you guys learn something today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.